Hi guys, welcome back to Math Quest. Today we're going to be learning about sequences. We're going to be learning how to identify a sequence and how to use the explicit rule to identify the nth term of a sequence. But first, let's learn what a sequence is. Let's take a look at this. 7, 9, 11, and 13. That's my sequence there. Each one of those numbers in the sequence is called a term. So my first term in the sequence is the 7. The second term is the 9. The third term is the 11, and so forth. So right now I have 4 numbers in my sequence. But what if I wanted to find the 50th term? What you would think is that, hey, since the numbers are going up by 2, I can simply add 2 46 more times and I'll find my 50th term in my sequence. Not a good idea though. I don't recommend that. But that's where the explicit rule comes in. We use the explicit rule and we can find any term in the sequence. Let me show you how. Okay, so here we have our explicit rule. F of n equals n squared plus 2. And what we're going to do is find the first 4 terms in our sequence. So let's get to it. Let's choose that color. There we go. All right, f of, not n, but f of 1, right? F of 1 equals 1 squared plus 2. So 1 squared is 1 plus 2 is 3. So this means that in my explicit rule, my first term is 3. Let's do the second one. F of 2. F of 2 is 2 squared plus 2. 2 squared is 4 plus 2 is 6. F of 3 equals 3 squared plus 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. And f of 4 is 4 squared. 16 plus 2 is 18. So the first 4 terms in my sequence are 3, 6, 11, and 18. This is how we use the explicit rule. Thanks to the explicit rule, what if I wanted to find the 20th term? Okay? Well, I can see how they are increasing, and I can increase it in the same pattern, but that's just going to take me too long and I can make mistakes. So in this case, all I have to do is find the function of 20, or my 20th term, which would be 20 to the power of 2 plus 2. 20 squared is 400. 400 plus 2 is 402. And that is how you use the explicit rule. See you next time on our next Math Quest. Goodbye.